Shame licorice tastes like arse. Bro, licorice is beautiful. Guys, okay. If you're based in the UK right now, quick little plug. Don't worry about it, guys. Don't switch off the stream. Don't. This is my website called mylicorice.co.uk. If your parents like licorice, because most of you guys are probably young, this is the best product right here. Most popular bundle, super good deal. Got a sale, it's a fake sale, but it's a super good product, right? It's not a fake sale if anyone from Trading Standards is watching. But to anyone else, obviously it's not a real sale. But you can see right here, this is a good product. It's actually a super good deal. It's a good deal. 200 gram bags is also a super good deal. These are the best items, right? These are the best products we sell on the website. Like, it gives you a mix of everything, right? Super, super good. But if you guys are young and you want to buy some sweets, you like sweets. I actually love sweets. I actually really like sweets. One of my, I love sweets. These products here, this product here is the best one. Anyone that came to the Croatia event that tried one of these can attest. This best one. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.